Nurses, I'm excited to introduce our new fleet of wheelchairs. These advanced models are designed to enhance patient comfort and mobility. They feature adjustable features, including seat height, backrest tilt, and armrests, to accommodate patients with various needs.
That sounds great, Mihira. Will these new wheelchairs be more durable?
Absolutely. The frames are made from high-quality materials, and they're designed to withstand heavy use. We've also incorporated features to prevent tipping and improve maneuverability.
That's fantastic. How will this impact patient care?
By providing patients with more comfortable and functional wheelchairs, we can improve their overall experience and quality of life. It will also make it easier for our staff to assist patients with mobility.
Will there be any additional training required for using these new wheelchairs, Mihira?
We'll provide training sessions to familiarize everyone with the new features and proper usage. We'll also have resources available for patients and their families to learn how to operate the wheelchair safely.
Mihira, a staked nail can be quite painful, and I understand how uncomfortable it must be for you. There are a few possible reasons this may have happened. Sometimes it's due to accidental injury, like stubbing your toe or dropping something heavy on your nail. Other times, trimming nails too short or at an angle can weaken them, making them more prone to splitting. As we age, nails can also become more brittle and fragile, increasing the risk of damage. Now, it's important to consider which of these factors might apply, as it helps guide the best way to care for your nail and prevent future issues. Could you tell me the relevance of these to you?